All right, guys, so these are my trades for December 2nd. You can see the drop right here for gold, and then the breakout come down all the way here, which is, we see now more often. It's coming all the way down here to retest, and then it goes up. Now I entered right here, got stopped out. I took a chance, but you see the bullish divergence right here. I was like, oh, this is gonna be a great trade. Boom, got stopped out. But I entered again right here, got the green dot, and you see the curvature now. The money flow is starting to flow in, and I made money as it went up. And I shared all this in my Telegram group. You can see right here. Every day I post them right here, so you guys can follow along if you want to see. So let's see what other trades I made. Okay, I had a short and a win here as well. Check this out. Okay, so you look here and you see the money flow was coming out. You got some bearish divergence right here, but there was more in it. Okay, you see the yellow candles? These are the market makers pushing the price up, but I saw a red diamond right here. I was like, oh man, this is gonna be a great trade, gonna go short, but I got stopped out there as well. But then I had a short win right here. You see the price went up, I went in again, and it dropped down here, made money, beautiful trade. But then you see the big, massive drop that came right here, which is what I was waiting for. That's what I was expecting, but it had more in it. And then you see right here, this is also on December 2nd. You can see the drop right here coming down, break of the trend line, retest, and you can see I drew this, and you can see in the Telegram group as well. This is the drawing that I had for that. And I entered right here, and I think I got out right here. So it did come back quite a lot, but then I entered right here. I thought it was going to go up and down like that and then go up. Well, it didn't go as low as you saw on the previous one, so they didn't retest as low. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So that's another good win. And then I shorted it right here. See, it comes up, it rides it up right here. You see the blood diamond on Market Cipher right here, and you see the bearish divergence. You see the drop. This is the drop. You got the retest right here, and then I entered right here after retest, and it rode it all the way down there. Beautiful trade. It's all in my Telegram group. Check it out if you're curious about trading. I'm telling you, gold on the 1 minute chart, it's amazing. Like, this stuff happens every single day, multiple times a day. You just wait for the best setups and trade those. You don't have to like sit there, wait for many weeks or days or forever to be able to enter a trade. Boom, every single day you can enter all these A+ setups. Okay, if you got any questions, let me know. Check out the Telegram link in my bio.